How to move posts with newest comment to the top of BuddyPress activity feed. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to move posts with newest comment to the top of BuddyPress activity feed. By default, both WordPress and BuddyPress has this feature. But you can have it with few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free. You can find the plugins by the searching bar, then install and activate it. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp.custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Please copy a snippet from our documentation. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file. And then save it. Let's see the result. I test comment on a post. And then after refresh the page, you will see it will move to top of activity feed. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.